So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a little wig haul, a try on, a mini review from Anibiu. So let's get into it, shall we? So Anibiu did send the wigs my way for free to review, but like always on my channel, I'm going to be 100% upfront and honest about my thoughts on the wigs. And I do also have a discount code of Luna Rose, which will save you 15% off anything on their website, which we can get into towards the end of the video. I did also attempt to do my makeup a little bit more like anime inspired, but I feel like I just look hella crazy with bright blue contacts in. But let me know in the comment section down below, and let's check out some cute wigs, shall we? So when you order a wig from Anibiu, they all arrive in their own little pink like self-seal bags. I absolutely love these for storage and just keeping all my wigs separate and like coordinated in my cupboard. So highly appreciate that they arrive in their own like little individual bags. They do also come with that little like fishnet kind of netting thing to stop the wig getting as tangly and just kind of as much of a mess. And they do also come with some stuffing on the inside, which I think keeps its shape, but you know, don't really know what else it will do it for. And then they do also come with a little fishnet wig cap. Generally, these aren't my favourite, if I'm going to be completely honest, but it's nice that they do come with a kind of wig cap. So if you are like new to the wig world or don't really own any wig caps to hand, it is nice that they do come with one. So let's check out wig number one, shall we? So the first wig I picked up from the Anibiu website is the Nights Cosplay Wig in the colour blue/orange. To me she looks a little bit more mint green and orange, but you know, not going to complain about the colour. And she is 75 to 80 centimetres long, which you know, is a lot of hair, girl. I was kind of worried on the website that she wouldn't come in the style that it shows on the website, but she has that nice chunky braid to her. And what is also really cute is that she does come with like little attachable ears in like the same, you know, like wig colour and everything as the actual wig, which I think is so gosh darn adorable. She does retail for 30 UK pounds, which is kind of up there in like a hard front like cosplay wig like realm. But with the discount code Luna Rose, it does knock it down to like £25, which I think is much like of a fairer price and what I would happily pay for a hard front wig. So yeah, let's try her on and we can talk about it some more, shall we? Back in 1 second. Ugh. Scalped. Okay, so maybe I yanked off my wig a little bit too quickly, but I thought I'd show you guys the internal structure of this wig before I like try it on and everything. So obviously, as she is a hard front wig, there is going to be like no lace netting, no nothing at the front. You're relying on the fringe covering to kind of hide where the like hairline starts and ends, which, you know, I'm completely fine with for a hard front wig. I'm not expecting anything too fancy in terms of internal structure. One thing I would like, even in hard front wigs though, is some combs to like secure it to your head, particularly at the back of the neck. This one has no internal combs, so I'm gonna have to knock it down a point for that, and I will be like for sure sewing some in, or you know, having to go with extra bobby pins to make sure this stays on my head. It does come with the general kind of standard like drawstring adjustable straps at the back, so you can tighten her nicely, but I do like my wigs to have like combs on the inside to really secure her down, girl. So yeah, I'm gonna pop her on so I'm no longer bald, and I'll be back to show you what she looks like. So this is what wig number one looks like on. Let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. I have mixed feelings. I would say mainly positive, but there are a few negatives, which we will start with on this wig first. My pretty much only bigger negative is that the ears, while they are super cute, they are just little like polystyrene ears with like a little crocodile clip on it, and I feel like there's not quite enough hair to like really cover the ear. Like I feel like it needs a couple more tracks around the ears to like really hide them well. And I will say she does shed quite a lot just from like first initial putting her on. I've not even like brushed her yet, and I did manage to get a couple of like bigger chunks of hair out of her, but you know, all very minor things to do with a wig. In terms of the positives, they definitely far outweigh the negatives on this wig. One major positive for this wig is the fact that it comes with ears and the pre-style kind of braid in it. I am always worried when I order a wig online and you see it like nicely styled with all the like good accessories and stuff in it, and then it arrives and you get like a really flat like basic straight wig. But I do like that it does come with a braid, and this is a very generous braided wig, like very generous. The amount of hair in this is top notch. Like, I am so impressed with how chunky it is, and I've not even like backcombed it yet. I've not even like stretched it out to make it even bigger, and I will say there is a lot of hair in this wig, but it does also lead into a little bit of a negative that I mentioned before in the fact that there are no internal combs to this wig, since if I flick this back and it like pulls back a little bit, I feel like I'll like scalp myself in no time once this ponytail like catches anything. But yeah, I do very much appreciate a nice generous ponytail. I do think she's actually really cute, and I do love the colour, and yeah, apart from that, I would say my positives outweigh the negatives, since I feel like I could just kind of backcomb the ears and make them look a little bit fluffier and hide the kind of like plastic behind. But yeah, let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. I would say a wig number 1, if I would give it a rating, I would give it 6.5 out of 10. I feel like it could slightly be improved with some internal combs as well as some like extra hair on the ear portion, but you know, this braid is everything, and I can't wait to actually like take it down and do like a nice like curly wig moment. But for now, I really like it in the braided style, and there is a lot of hair to this girl. A lot of hair. On to wig number 2. So the second wig I picked up from Anibiu is this absolutely stunning soft blonde into like a nice soft kind of a pastel pink gradient wig. And I thought I'll show you her just like fresh out of the bag before I pop her on, since the internal structure of this wig comes with combs. She has one comb on either side of the head as well as one at the back of the neck, which is like everything to me. I love combs in wigs, and she's already getting like so many more bonus points. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you that, since I don't know if there's like a certain set of wigs that come with combs, certain ones that don't, but for me, having combs in this wig is already like incredible to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop her on my head, give her a quick brush, and we'll discuss some more, shall we? So this is what wig number 2 looks like on. Let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. This one is very much like up my style and like general aesthetic. You guys know how much I love blonde hair and I love the colour pink, and this combines the two in like a really flattering way. So one major positive, apart from, you know, having combs on the inside, is that the ombre of this wig is actually like a really good ombre. It is not just like a we're doing a different colour now, which I absolutely hate in wigs, and you find a lot in very like cheap kind of cosplay wigs where it's literally just one colour, stock divide, next colour. This one does have a very nice like gentle fade into the pink, which I'm a big fan of. The only negative that I would really say about this wig is that I wish the like fringe portion had a little bit more hair to it and was a little bit fuller, since I feel like I can see the top of like my wig cap through like the very top of this fringe piece. But you know, a little bit of back combing, it will hide that and add a little bit more like fullness into the fringe. But I do wish this wig did have a little bit more hair just in general to it, since, you know, I'm a guy, I like a lot more hair, a lot more like drag to my wigs. But apart from that, I think she is absolutely stunning. This wig does retail for £29, so she's a little bit cheaper than the last one, and I think she is well worth that money. If I would give this like wig a rating, I would give this wig 8 out of 10, since there is very minimal areas that I would actually want to improve on, and I love the colour, I love the texture, and yeah, I just want a little bit more hair in the fringe, girl. But yeah, let me know what you think of wig number 2, and let's check out wig number 3, shall we? Worst tongue pop ever. Better. And then this is what wig number 3 looks like out of the bag and fresh on my head. Let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. I absolutely love the vibrancy of this wig. When I saw it on the website, I was just like, I love the combination of bright like neon blue and bright pink together, and this wig is full on like typical anime cosplay hair, and I am living for it. The ponytails actually on this wig are completely detachable. They are just like little, you know, like claw grip clip ponytails, but they are 90 centimeters long. Like, girl, this wig has some length to it. I think it looks so good, so candy, so like extra bright anime realness, and girl, I live for it. One thing I will mention about this wig though is that this one doesn't have any internal combs, so yeah, I really don't know why the blonde one did and the mint green and this one don't, but yeah, there are no internal combs. The only other negative I feel like I could say about this wig is that there's not a lot of hair in the ponytail piece. I feel like that very first like mint green wig had like a really good density within its ponytail, whereas this one, I feel like the little clip-on ponies need like both the sets of hair in like one ponytail, since I feel like just by themselves they are quite thin. But I do like the fact that they are clip-on, and I'll probably clip it to the back of my head and have like a nice long like Ariana Grande in like Candy anime land inspired transformation with it. But yeah, I think she's absolutely stunning. This wig also does retail for £28, so again, she's £1 cheaper than the last one. We seem to be on like a little trend of cheaper wigs, but yeah, I would say she's worth that. I think she is a good, cute little hard front cosplay wig, and for sure, I'll be wearing her on my channel in the future. If I could give this wig like a rating out of 10, I'd probably give this one, say a 7. I feel like I do want a little bit more density out of her, but in terms of vibrancy, in terms of colour, I think she looks so good. And what I do like about the like wig is that it does have some length in the back, so it does like cover up, you know, your natural hairline. It's not just like you're expected to clip it on and just, you know, the back part look a mess. It does like cover enough. But yeah, I actually really like this wig. It's really like bold and different and out there for me, but I do think she's really pretty. These, I can tell though, are going to tangle in like no time, since it is just, you know, very long hair. But girl, for this wig, I can deal with it. Let's move on to wig number 4, shall we? Okay, and then for this fourth and final wig, she is this absolutely stunning half green, half pink combo ombre wig. And she does come with cute like little clip-on pieces. But again, I thought I'll show you the internal structure, since this one does also come with combs. So yeah, I've had 2 wigs with combs, 2 wigs without combs, and I don't really know why, but she's already getting more bonus points and she has some combs in her. So yeah, I'm going to chuck her on my head, give her a quick brush, and we'll talk about the last wig, shall we? I'm so excited for this one. This one was the one that I wanted the most, so girl, we're saving the best for last. And then finally, this is what wig number 4 looks like on. Let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. I for sure saved the best for last. This was the wig I was most excited about when I scrolled through the website. I actually saw Venus Envy wear this on Instagram, and she is one of my favourite drag queens of all time, and I literally saw her in this wig, sought out this website, sought out the wig, and she is now in my possession, and I'm so happy to have her. Mint green and pink together. It's just a match made in heaven. The colour combo of this wig is so gosh darn cute. And the fact that it comes with cute little like space buns, I think just makes it that extra little bit adorable. I was tempted to like swap the colours around to make it look a little bit more funky. But yeah, as you can like probably tell, I absolutely love this wig. The fact that she comes with combs, absolutely stunning. And the like Hime bangs on this wig are like nice and curled. So if I did like want to like pull my hair up and back, it just gives like the cutest like little... I am so living for this wig. There is literally no negatives. Well, maybe a slight one. I do wish the fringe part did have a little bit more hair to it, but apart from that, this wig is my favourite. She does retail for 30 UK pounds, but like I said, I do have a discount code to knock 15% off that, and to be honest with you, I'm buying another one of these wigs like right now. Well, maybe not right now, after I film this video, I am buying another one of these to like double stack it to give me some like bigger drag hair. But yeah, I think this wig is absolutely stunning and literally my like favorite kind of like style and everything. She is so gosh darn pretty, and I feel like you get a good amount of hair in this wig. Like the last ones, my main complaint has been like lack of density, whereas this has a very good amount of hair to us. So yeah, if I would give this final wig a rating, ooh, let's give her a 9 out of 10, since I do wish the fringe had a little bit more hair. But apart from that, I am like the most impressed by this one. She had like the least shedding as well when I brushed her, so yeah, for sure, she's getting a 9 out of 10, and she is my personal favourite of this video. Let me know what you guys think was the best wig 1, 2, 3, or 4, and yeah, I'm just gonna like feel my oats for a few more seconds, and then we can do the outro. So yeah, that completes my little like mini wig review try-on haul from Anibiu Wigs. Thank you guys so much for sending these wigs my way. I think they are absolutely stunning, And if you guys don't know this about me, I am such a huge otaku. I love anything to do with anime, anything to do with cosplay, the whole like Japanese culture. That whole thing is such a vibe for me and such like a love. And on the Anibiu website, they do also sell shoes. So let me know if I should like pick up some cute like little cosplay inspired shoes or like anime inspired shoes and do, you know, a little heel haul, as well as them selling like some sexy cosplay looks, as well as like the traditional kind of general cosplay looks. So again, let me know if you guys think I should like pick out anything from their website in terms of like cosplay transformations and do like, you know, some more inspired anime things on my channel, since I absolutely love fun, funky hair and like the full cosplay fantasy, and these wigs have given me it. I have been impressed with each wig I've tried on, and for sure, you will see them all on my channel in the future, since I really want to like dabble and play in like more fun, creative, different outlets with my drag, and this wig is literally giving me so much life right now. Like, I am living for her, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna stop rambling now and like do my full outro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which wig was your favorite, or if I should be picking up any others from their website. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM. But like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell, since, you know, Halloween is right around the corner, and from October 1st, I am planning to do 31 transformations, so expect lots of like extra content, extra bonus days, extra looks, extra everything. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, shout out to Anibiu. Thank you guys so much for sending these wigs my way. They are so cute and will be for sure used on my channel in the future. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. That was a very good tongue pop. I am proud of that outro. And again.